You actually need to design. It's all together. You design, you build things together. Let me show you more in much more detail. So let us say Python. So this is also a Python code. So take a look over here. You see? Code. These are all variables here. Now when I run this thing, there we go. So you have a game here. Python can be used in many different ways. And not just that, you can create chatbots, robots, and so much more. So Python is like one of the very expandable languages. If you want to deal with simple graphics in Python, you need to import one of the very simple library called Turtle. So I'm going to say from Turtle, import star. Okay. Now we need to build up a screen. So I'm going to say screen equals screen function to say screen dot bg color. You can pick any color over here. Right now you said blue. I'm going to write here blue. And let's give it a screen as setup dot setup. I'm going to give it about 1200 pixels by 700 pixels. So when I run this code, you see a blue screen there. Yeah, if you want to connect them together, this is something that's running behind. This is behind the stage. And we want something to happen on the front of the stage. So let us say we complete this code behind. We need to just push it on front of the stage. So I'm just going to come down here. And we can just say white. You can pick any other colors from, or if you want to have any other color pick, let's say not some simple colors like white, blue, green. You can always go to Google Color Picker. Let's say Color Picker and pick any color from here. Let us say this one, copy the code from it, come back to the splice and replace it. So your screen will be changed to this color. Putting it together, it's kind of really simple. I'll show you. So we pick up a color as white. Let's keep it yellow. It's more bright. Now we need to make variables. Not even need to make any variables. You can just simply say, pick up a style. All right. Font family comic sans ms. Size of text 50. And I'll keep it bold. And I'm going to write something here. So I'm just going to come down after that. All right, it's not going to be equal here. Right. Hello world. And align is going to be center. Your code is running both the sides, this side as well as this side. Now we just need to push things together. So I need to close this thing first. Then once this thing is done, I need to send this thing on top as well. Okay. Now we need to make variables. So I'm just going to make variables. Let's name it as a equals. And a equals is going to be print all this thing. So I'm just going to pick up the whole stuff from here. All right. Add it over there. Good. And I need to write here write a and write a align just need to say font equals style and align. And there is one more better way instead of just doing the Python turtle. It's usually the Pygame, which makes it much easier for us to work with. Okay, let's run it. So it tells us to enter some numbers. Let me just enter some number. Do you see? So we can keep it like all together. You need to just push the things on the screen. Instead of just saying A, I'm going to keep this as add. All right. And I'm going to write here add. We can keep it for subtract as well. And we can keep it for multiplication as well. And I'm going to copy the whole thing. Let us say this is the whole thing coming up. And I'm going to drop it over here. And for multiply, let's copy the whole thing and add it over here. We do the same thing with different positions coming up ahead. Need to say here then up, then down. So first of all, this thing runs in. It asks you to enter some numbers. As soon as you run that code, you see the results out here.